Well, I'm not entirely sure what to expect from this. Alright. Oh, hey, it's a finger. Wiggle. Wiggle. Um, run, man. Run. Where are you running to? I have no idea. Run, man. Okay, bye. Well. No, you turn around and help him. He's, okay, bye. No, put it. What's the point? What is the point of this game? Hello, you seem to be doing okay. Oh, hey, friends. Oh, okay, that was rude. Why? Why are you? Okay. Why are you punching each other? Now you're all alone. How do you feel? You don't care. Neither do I. So that can happen. Nope. Go. More walking. Fantastic. Where? What? Okay. Please don't do what I think you're gonna do. Please don't. Please. No. Oh my god. Can we get rid of those? Thank you. Fetch. I can't pick those up. Oh, you can apparently. There you go. Now you're 10 times more beautiful. Okay. Hello, friends.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Do I know you?
I don't know.
Do you know me?
How could I know?
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes,
Yes.
no.
Well, now you're just being indecisive. Okay, now you're just being unreasonable. That was just being unreasonable.
I love you.
I just met her.
I don't think I love you.
Are you sure?
I think you don't love me.
Yes, I do. I do.
I know I love you.
I'm not sure.
I am.
I do love you.
I don't.
You know, that's uncalled for. Oh well.
It hurts.
I'm leaving.
All right then. Beautiful, beautiful love story. Oh, he's sad now. I feel bad for him. Been replaced button. Get out. Go. Nope. If you throw it back in. What is the point? Alright, well, I see where this is going. Yep, that's what I was scared of. Oh, don't you dare. Don't. Oh my. Walk this way. No, you get out of here. This is a beautiful thing that you're not allowed to ruin. It's three people just having a talk. Having a little more than a talk. Your arm flop. Your arm can. Okay. Well, I'm uncomfortable. Go away. Nobody likes you. Why? Go in. Why? What is the point of this? Let's just exchange. How's that? How's that? Okay. Is that better? Oh, more hands. Oh, this one actually has hands. Alright. Grab the finger. Okay, I didn't think he was actually gonna grab it. What's the point now? Wiggle. Wiggle the finger. Wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle the finger. No, you get it's yours. Take it back. Yeah, you get out of here. You leave them in peace. Yeah. That's right, you better. Oh, okay, so we're just gonna oh, okay, well, I'm just gonna welcome it, so. I don't know what I just played, I don't know what I just did. This is so confusing. That's it? Alright, well, I can't say I'm disappointed about that. This is all anybody really needs in life.